Hello everyone, this is Ashwini Abare and today we will discuss the next assignment, which is type command. Simulation of type command. What is the meaning of type command? So first, if I will open a command prompt. Suppose if we will change the directory d colon. Now if I will give the command as dir will give the list of all directories and files which are present on that drive. So here we can say that there is one file abc.txt which is already present in D drive. So if I will give the command as a type and name of the file as abc.txt, what it will do, it will open this file and it will display all the contents of that file here. So here if I will open notepad file open, that file is present in D drive abc.txt. if I will open this, so see all the contents of file, in which order, in which fashion it is present in the file, in same way it will display on console. This is the nothing but the type command. But if you will say that while running your type command only you will pass the parameter, meaning is what? During the execution of program, if I will pass any input parameter, that parameter is called as a command line argument. On command prompt, if I will pass any input during execution of program, then it is called as a command line argument. So right now we will discuss only a type command. Then in next video we will discuss how to implement type command using command line argument. So first include the header file #include stdio.h, then int main. Now what will be the requirement to implement a type command? We have to implement the type command, meaning is what? Instead of type command we have to write our own program which will work like as a type command, means simulation of type command. So first requirement is we require the name of the file, which file we have to open. So fname 20. So first accept the file name from the user /n, enter the file name. How you will accept? By using scanf we can accept the file name. So scanf %d fname. So it will accept the file name. Now we have accept the file name. What will be the next step? We have to check whether that file is present or not. So how you will check the file is present or not? Now if that file is present, then what you will do? We have to open this file in read mode. So how we will open the file? By using fopen function. Here we have to handle the files, we have to use file handling commands. So first of all we will open this file. In which mode? Which file? Fopen function requires two parameters. First one is the name of the file and second one is the in which mode we have to open the file. So if right now we don't want to modify any content of the file, so we will open this file into read mode. Now after opening, how we will understand that whether that file is successfully open or not? If that file is open successfully, it will return the address of that file, that we can say as technically file pointer. File pointer is a pointer which points to your file, means it holds the address of your file. So we will declare one file, suppose file pointer whose data type will be file because it points to your file. So if if the address of fp is equal to null, meaning is what? Meaning is what? File not present. That's why your file is not open. Else printf /n file present and open successfully. Okay, so in else also, if I will write the brackets, because next code we have to include in all else case. So save, compile and run. Okay, there is one quoted. Save, semicolon missing, semicolon, save, click on execute, compile and run. Now enter the file name. Now which file name you will pass here? Right now we are in which directory? C:users Ashwini desktop assignment 3. So we have to read, or we can write any file, we can open any file which is present in assignment 3 folder. So before that you can check your on desktop assignment 3 folder. So first of all of you create one file, suppose text, or else we are having accept.c file, so we can directly pass that file. Suppose we are having accept.c file, so file not present, its spelling is correct. Compile and run. Accept.c file not present. Okay, wait. So if I will create any new file, suppose text document is abc. So this is the file which is created. What is the name of the file? Properties abc.txt. so if I will give this file, execute, compile and run, abc.txt, file not present. Okay, let me check the program. fname is okay. First of all I want to print the file name, print whether it is accept properly or not. So %d, not a %d, %s fname file name equal to, so click, compile and run, abc.txt. okay, file name is not accepting properly, that's why it is showing. Oh, in scanf we have write the %d, that's why. So click on execute, compile and run. File name is abc.txt. File is present and open successfully. Again, if you can take any file which we have discussed previously, accept.c, file is present and open successfully. Okay, so once your file is open, or if your file is present, then only we can read the content of the file. So how you will read the content of the file? For that purpose, there is one command which is used to read the character from your file. So get C is read the character, but now we have to read from file. So command is fgetC. fgetC require only one parameter from which address we have to read the character. So address is present in fp, so fp, from address fp we will read that. Suppose if I will store that into, and this function will return which character it will return, which character is read by fgetC. So ch we have to declare. So ch is again a character, so we will declare in character list. So click on execute, compile and run. So file name is abc. Okay, that file doesn't contain anything. So accept.c. File is open successfully. We will not understand right now. So here if I will write /n/n, so after this it will read that and we have to print the character. So how you will print the character? Printf. Now we have to print a single character. So %c and %e, instead of which character we have to print? ch. So save, execute, compile and run. Accept.c. See, right now you will get the / character. So how you will check that? On desktop we are having the assignment 3. If I will open in notepad, see, first character is /. Now what we have to do? We have to read all the character. So how you will read all the character? As we know that every string is end with the null character, same way every file is end with the end of character. So we have to read our character till ch is not equal to end of file. So it will read your character. It will see. It will read your first character. It will check whether it is end of file. If not, it will print this. Now after printing, what it will do? Again it will read the next character. So for reading the next character, we have to give again a command as a ch equal to fgetC. So again it will read the next character. It will check whether it is end of file. No, again it will print that character. Again it will read next character. Now don't bother about whether fp, how we will increment the fp. fp is internally incremented. So we will only read the character and fp is automatically incremented. So compile and run. So our name of the file is accept.c. See, it will display all the contents of your program. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe the video. Thank you.